You heard that noise before? Want to know how to clear it? Stay tuned. Okay, so we've all seen the message, the infamous paper jam. It's everywhere. Where do you start? What's going on? What do I do? I'm going to show you how to fix it one step at a time. So let me bring the camera over here. First, you want to start at this door here, right on the side door. Bring that back there. So go ahead and open up this lever first. Okay. First thing you want to grab is this paper here. Make sure you just slide it out just like that. This section here is hot, so make sure if you slide this back, you don't put your fingers in here. You can get burned. Right here is not too bad. Okay. Typically, you'll get a piece of paper that's stuck right here as well. You can just pull that out as well. Make sure nothing's below. And it looks pretty good. Second thing is, grab this lever here, open this up, check if there's anything caught in this door here. There's one below that, same thing, looks good. So we're pretty good on this section there. So let's go now to the front of the copier and check the paper trays. Actually, before the paper tray, we'll do the little transport deck here. Lift this up, put your hand in there, look what we got. A piece of paper. Oh my goodness. Oh look, two of them. Make sure you keep checking. Okay, and we'll drop that down. Now let's check the paper trays. We'll go down here, just like so. I was running the copies. Both of these trays open up. There's another little hidden lever right here. So you always want to make sure you check that one as well. Alright. And last but not least is going to be the finisher door. Let me just open that up so it doesn't run any more copies. Bring you over here. Open up the finisher door here. Make sure there's no paper stuck anywhere that you can see. Most often it'll be right up top. Open up this section here and you'll see any paper that's caught here. After you do that, you should be good to go. The jam should clear. Now, if the jam stays there, it'll let you know what section where it's at. As you can see, we still have another jam, which was right on the left-hand side of the finisher, right where the paper came out. There's one right here. Just go ahead and grab that completely out of there. Just throw it on top there. Open and close. Jam has been cleared. It's going to run the copies again. If it starts jamming again after that, what you're going to want to do is the farthest place left is going to be the issue. So if it starts jamming in the finisher, this is where your issue lies. If it gets too serious, make sure you place a service call to your local service department. And if it's Supertechs, we'll be there in 1 hour or less. Take it easy, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.